Hello students and welcome to a new lesson in Connect. Today we have comparison. What is comparison? To say which is longer, for example, taller, whatever. Use this rule. Part 1 plus is or are plus adjective plus then plus part 2. Let's have some examples. That train is 25 meters long. The bus is 7 meters long. Now I want to see which one of them is longer. I want to use the word longer. So what I should say now? I start with the rule. Part 1, the train. The train is singular word, X is. Then I put the adjective long, and then I put ER, it became longer. And then I put the word then, and then I put the word the plus. Okay, let's have another example to understand the rule very well. Cat, okay. Cat and horse, okay. The cat is small. The horse is not small. Now I want to use smaller. Follow the rule. Part 1. Yes, the cat. Singular. X is. Plus the adjective is small, which ends with ER. And then I put the word then, and then I put part 2, which is the horse. It became the cat is smaller than the horse. The cat is smaller than the horse. Let's take another example which is different. Okay. Football is interesting. Okay. TV is not interesting. Now I want to use more interesting. Why I should use more interesting here? Because the rule says with longer adjectives which have more than one syllable or which have many letters, long one, interesting. Okay, I can't put ER. I should put more before it. Let's answer the question. Say football is more interesting than TV. Okay. So the rule says, this is rule number 1 in comparison. Rule number 2, use part 1 plus is if it is singular, or are if it is plural plus more plus adjective plus then plus part 2 as we did here. Now let's have some exercises to understand the grammar very well. Here are the adjectives. Good, which describes only one thing. Better, which describes two things. Okay, bad for one thing, worse for two parts, far for one part, further for two parts, and so on and so forth. Repeat after me. Good, better. You can say better, you can say better. Bad, worse, far, further. Large, larger. Easy, easier. Thin, thinner. Let's answer some questions. Trains are 20 meters long, buses are 7 meters long. We answered this question before. Let's go to the next one. Sharks can kill people. Dolphins don't kill people. Use more dangerous. Of course, I start with part 1. Yes. Sharks. Plural word takes R. More plus adjective dangerous. Then part 2, which is part 2? Dolphins. Remember, you don't need to repeat don't kill people again. It is referred to in the word dangerous. It is understood. So we don't write sharks are more dangerous than dolphins, they don't kill people. Just write part 1 is or are, adjective, more plus adjective, plus than, plus part 2, and don't write anything else. That's it, enough. End. Don't write anything else. Okay. Butterflies are beautiful. Beetles are not beautiful. I start with part 2, part 1. Better. Lies. Plural word, yes, takes R. Adjective is long, it doesn't take ER. It is preceded with more, or in other words, we put more in front of the adjective. Okay, and then we put the adjective beautiful, and then we put the word then, and then we put the second part. Beetles. Beetles is a disgusting insect. Anyway, deer is thin. Hippo is fat. So I start with part 1. Deer. Deer, singular word, takes is. Then the adjective plus ER. It's a short adjective. Takes ER, but we double the last letter. Then part 2. Hippo. Okay. We'll stop. Alright, horses are fast, turtles are slow. Which one is faster? Of course the horses. So horses is part 1. The word horses is part 1, or horses are part 1. Anyway, horses are faster, adjective plus ER, than part 2, turtles. And we don't write anything else. And remember, we cut the full stop. We make 2 separate sentences into one sentence. So no need to write full stop, and no need to repeat any other words. Just part 1 is or are, adjective plus ER, or more plus adjective, and then you put then, and then you put part 2. That's it. End of the story. Don't write anything else. Oranges are big, grapes are not big. We say oranges. Okay. Part 1 are, because it's plural. The adjective plus ER, we double the last letter, the same case that we did with thin. We double the last letter. Oranges are bigger than grapes. Okay? And the rest, and we do the same with the rest. I am going to stop here because I don't want to make it very long video. Thank you.